Are you tired of watching your money sit idly in the bank, earning next to nothing in interest? Are you ready to take control of your financial future and invest in something that has the potential to generate real wealth? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to the exciting world of real estate investing. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn your dreams of financial freedom into a reality. From setting goals to understanding market trends, and from developing a solid plan to monitoring your investments, we'll cover all the basics that you need to know to get started. So, buckle up, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on your journey to becoming a successful real estate investor. What is real estate investment? Let's make sure we're all on the same page before we dive into the world of real estate investment. Real estate investment is like a cake. It's sweet and delicious, and it can bring happiness to everyone involved. However, unlike a cake, real estate investment can generate a profit. It is simply the act of purchasing properties intending to profit from rent or resale. It's similar to the board game Monopoly, but with real money, real properties, and real profits. Why invest in real estate? Why would I want to invest in real estate when I could just keep my money in a savings account and earn a measly 1% interest? Investing in real estate is like choosing between a basic hamburger and a gourmet cheeseburger. The standard hamburger will satisfy you, but the gourmet cheeseburger is an entirely different experience. The same is true for real estate investment. It is not only a better option but a whole new level of awesomeness. Here are a few reasons why you should think about investing in real estate. Potential for high returns. Real estate can provide investors with a significant return on their investment, especially when compared to traditional investments such as stocks or bonds. It's like choosing between a regular old pencil and a fancy pen that writes in gold ink. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a tangible asset that you can touch and see. This makes it a popular investment option for those who prefer to have a physical asset to invest in. It's like choosing between a virtual pet and a real live puppy. Income generation. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income through rental properties. It's like having a part-time job that pays you while you sleep. What could be better than that? Income generation. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income through rental properties. Appreciation. Real estate values can appreciate over time, resulting in potential profits when the property is sold. Getting started with real estate investment. Okay, now that you're convinced that real estate investment is the way to go, how do you get started? It's like learning to ride a bike. It might seem scary at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll never look back. Here are some steps to get you started. Education. Begin by gaining a foundational understanding of real estate investment through education. Courses and seminars led by industry experts are excellent resources. Select courses that match your skill level and areas of interest, and attend seminars that address the latest trends and advancements in the field. Participating in courses and seminars expands your knowledge and provides an opportunity to network with other real estate investors and professionals. Consider enrolling in a mentorship program, which provides valuable insights and support from experienced real estate investors. A mentor can guide you through the real estate investment process and offer advice based on their experiences. This relationship provides a platform to ask questions and receive guidance as you progress in your real estate investment journey. Make a plan. Develop a strategy by defining your investment goals, allocating a budget, and identifying your preferred property type, such as a duplex, single-family home, or multiplex. The first step in creating a real estate investment plan is to determine what you want to achieve. Are you looking to generate passive income, build long-term wealth, or both? By defining your goals, you'll be able to create a plan that is tailored to your specific needs and aspirations. Before investing in real estate, conduct market research to understand current market conditions, demand for rental properties in your area, and the types of properties that are in high demand. This information will assist you in making informed investment decisions and ensuring that you are making investments that will meet your objectives. Networking. Networking is an essential component of successful real estate investment. It can help you find properties, secure financing, and connect with contractors and other industry professionals. Join online communities, such as forums and social media groups, which can be an excellent way to meet and network with other real estate investors and professionals. Look for groups that focus on your specific interests, such as local real estate investing or commercial real estate investing. Joining these groups will allow you to share your experiences, ask questions, and connect with others. You could also participate in local real estate events such as auctions, seminars, and trade shows. These events provide excellent opportunities to network with other real estate investors and professionals while also learning about new industry trends and developments. Bring your business cards and a smile. You never know who you'll meet. Monitoring and adjusting. One of the most important factors to monitor in real estate investing is cash flow. Keeping track of your cash flow will allow you to see how much money you make from your investments and how much you spend on expenses such as property management, repairs, renovations, and insurance. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed to ensure you're generating positive cash flow and meeting your financial goals. Because the real estate market is constantly changing, it is critical to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. Monitoring market trends will allow you to stay ahead of the curve and adjust your investment strategy as needed. For example, if demand for rental properties in your area falls, you may need to reconsider your investment strategy and look for other market opportunities. Regular monitoring of your property's performance is also necessary to ensure that it meets your expectations. Keep track of occupancy rates, rental prices, and the overall condition of your properties, and make any necessary repairs and renovations to keep them in top condition. This will help to ensure that your properties are performing well and assisting you in meeting your investment objectives. Start small. Starting small is a smart way to begin your real estate investment journey. With limited resources, it's wise to start with a smaller investment that you can manage and get a feel for the market. This will allow you to learn the ropes, gain experience, and avoid financially overextending yourself. Starting small also allows you to take calculated risks and test the waters before making larger investments. As your real estate investing career progresses, this will help you gain confidence in your investment strategy and make more informed decisions. So, if you're just getting started, remember to start small and gradually expand your portfolio. In conclusion, real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, it's important to approach it with caution and do your research to make informed decisions. Start by setting clear goals, educating yourself on the market and different investment strategies, and developing a solid plan. Make sure to keep a close eye on your cash flow, market trends, and property performance, and be prepared to make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed. Starting small is a smart way to begin your real estate investment journey and gradually build your portfolio over time. By following these guidelines and being patient, persistent, and disciplined, you can become a successful real estate investor and achieve your financial dreams. Thanks for watching. I hope you had as much fun learning about real estate investment as I did. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Remember, real estate investment is like a treasure hunt. You never know what amazing opportunities you'll find next. Thanks for watching.